So today I'm about to show you how people are making $1,000 in just 2 days using only their phone, AI, and social media. And you will not believe how easy it is to actually do this. Invideo AI just released a new app that allows you to give it a single prompt. And from that prompt, it will create an entire ready to publish video right from your phone. And you will be able to upload this to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. And most importantly, get paid. Many people don't realize that all of these different platforms are paying people to create videos. And since this is the season of giving, I'm about to give you everything you need to get started. And I'm going to show you how anyone can do this from anywhere in less than 10 minutes. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So I always talk about making money on YouTube. Why? Because that's where it's at. But a lot of people don't even realize, just like with YouTube, you can get paid on Facebook and Instagram by the ads that they place on your reels. And on top of that, they also offer a bonus program. They were paying creators $30,000 to $35,000 every single month to create videos.
Recently, Facebook has been increasing the bonus potential for some creators from $30,000 to $55,000. They've also been sending this message to some creators that says, congratulations, because you've consistently uploaded original, engaging posts and videos, your performance bonus earning rate has increased.
And of course, you can do the same on TikTok. Now with TikTok, you may not necessarily get paid as much as you would on YouTube. But if we're being honest today, a lot of people are growing faster on TikTok than most of the other platforms. But faceless YouTube channels, or YouTube automation as some may call it, is just a niche on YouTube that's doing really well. It's changing a lot of people's lives by creating simple, basic videos that I'm about to show you how you can do right from your phone. So all you have to do is click on the link in the description, and that's going to take you to Invideo AI's app for you to download on your phone. And once you have it downloaded, you are able to make a free account to get started. They do have some paid plans, and I'll talk about them a little later, but right now we can start with the free one. Now, because again, I like YouTube the most, I am going to focus on creating content for that one. However, the same video that we are about to create will be able to be uploaded to any of the platforms. But before we start creating any videos, the first thing we have to do is find the right video to create. Now, let me give you some advice when it comes to this. You want to make sure that you have some kind of interest in whatever niche you go into, because the worst thing that can happen is you get stuck in the niche that you absolutely hate, and then you end up getting burnt out. It's going to happen really quickly, and you're not going to want to continue. But in order for you to start finding the right niche for you to go into, you can head on over to my good friend ChatGPT, and you can ask it to give you the top 10 YouTube niches, or you can ask for the top 20, top 30. You can give it whatever number you like, and it's going to give you a list of a ton of different niches that are doing well on YouTube right now. And you can go through and see if you are interested in any of them. And I will let you know, some are going to pay more than others. But once you find your niche, then you can also ask ChatGPT to give you some video ideas for that particular niche. You can ask again for 20, 30, 40, 100 different video ideas for blank niche. And then it's going to give you a ton of stuff that you can choose from. And what I usually do from there is I'll use a YouTube tool like vidIQ that will actually make sure that the keywords that I am plugging in from these ideas are ones that are doing well on YouTube. They are the words that people are looking for. One of the most important things when it comes to pretty much anything is going to be your research. You have to spend more time researching than creating. And then vidIQ also has an AI coach that you can actually ask it to give you YouTube video ideas. You can ask it, how can you get more views? And because this is tailored directly toward YouTube, they also have a TikTok one as well. They will be able to give you better results than ChatGPT would. And I told you this is the season of giving. So if you go down below, you can actually get vidIQ right now, a 30-day trial for only $1. But sign up quick. Now, one video that I have been seeing that's doing really well across all platforms is like a video created around the topic of things you probably didn't know. And all it has is a bunch of random clips. It has a voiceover in it. It has some music. It also has subtitles that pop up on the screen. That's really good to keep people engaged as well. So all of these things are going to be really important when it comes to you creating your video. And the good thing about it, again, you don't have to worry. Invideo AI is going to do all of that for you. And here is a channel that does these random fact type of videos. And as you can see, they are getting millions of views for this. And if we go over to Social Blade, according to them, they are making anywhere from $18,000 to $295,000 per month. Now, I will tell you this much. This type of channel is creating more shorts than long form videos, and shorts tend to pay less. So I highly doubt they are making the upwards of $295,000, but they could be making $18,000 a month. So now let's start making our videos. And when you are logged into Invideo AI's app, the first thing you're going to see is this prompt box. And this is where we are going to type out our good sentence to tell it what type of video we want it to create. And just to let you know, you are able to actually make videos up to 30 minutes long. However, I'm doing the shorter ones just so you'll easily be able to upload these across multiple platforms. So when it comes to entering the prompt in this box, you want to be as detailed as you can be so that it can make the right video that you want. And I created a free prompt for you to use. I'm going to put it down in the description. And that's just so that you are covering your bases and making sure you are asking it the right things. So what I am going to ask it to do is make a YouTube short about 45 seconds long about 6 of the most random, craziest facts that people may not know. And I'm going to ask it to make it funny and use a male voiceover with a British accent. And once you submit that, they are going to ask you a few more questions because they want to make sure they are giving you the best results that you are looking for. So you'll have to choose the audience, you'll have to choose the look and feel of the video that you want, and you'll have to select which platform you want this to go on. And we'll hit continue. And just like that, it is done, and it only took about 60 seconds. But now we are going to take a look at it.
Good day. Ready for a whirlwind tour of 6 brilliantly bizarre facts? First stop, the animal kingdom. Did you know a shrimp's heart is in its head? Talk about wearing your heart on your sleeve or forehead. Quacking mad, isn't it? On to food now. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs. A sweet-toothed dream. Fact 4, a human hiccup travels at nearly 50 miles per hour. Fast enough to get a speeding ticket.
Now, if you just so happen to not like that entire video that they created, you can always come down here to the bottom and click this regenerate tab, and it will create an entirely new video for you based on those same prompts that you gave it.
Good day. Ready for a quick dose of knowledge? In the world of random facts, here's a 6-pack of crazy ones. Fact 1, a jiffy is an actual unit of time. It's 1/100th of a second. Blink and you've missed a few jiffies.
Now, if you happen to actually like this video and you're like, well, there's 1 or 2 things that I want to change, you can always come to this edit box and you can tell it whatever you want it to change, and it will make the changes for you. For instance, let's say we don't like that British accent. We'll just say change the voiceover to a male American accent, and then it'll change the accent in the video. Or even if you want to make a joke in the beginning, all you have to do is come to this edit command box and type in whatever changes you want it to make, and it's going to do it for you.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Now, ready for a quick dose of knowledge?
There's also another way that you can edit. If you want to put your hands on it a bit, you can manually edit, and you'll just come to this edit tab here, and you can edit the media or the script. If you want to edit the media, you'll select media, and then you can click on whatever scene in the video you want to change. and then you'll go into Invideo's inbuilt library, which they have over 8 million royalty-free clips from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock. And once you go through and find the clip that you really like, all you have to do is hit that replace button and it'll change it.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Now, ready for a quick dose of knowledge?
Now, if you happen to need to make a change to the script, if for some reason they may have misspelled the word, or if you want to add an extra sentence to it, or if you want to take something out that they put in there, all you have to do is hit edit script. It'll show you the entire thing, and you can go through and adjust it and make the changes that you want to make. And of course, you'll save it, and then it'll regenerate a new video based on the new script that you gave it. Now, when you are finally happy and satisfied with the video and you are ready to download it, all you have to do is select that export button. You'll have to select your settings. Now, I did say that you can start this for free, which you can. But with the free version, you will have a watermark in the video, and it'll look something like this. And you'll also have Invideo AI's branding on there as well. Now, as I always say, if you are really serious about video creation, I highly suggest that you have those watermarks and brandings removed, especially if you want to make the amount of money that I said a lot of people are making. And to do that, you can simply upgrade to a paid plan, and they start as low as $20 a month. And the good thing about this is, if you get stuck anywhere and you need help with your video, you can reach out to their 24/7 chat support team. Now, I already have the Plus plan, so I am able to download my videos without the watermark. And once you have them downloaded, then that's when we can go over to the different platforms and start to upload them. Now, when it comes to upload schedule, I suggest, especially if you're just starting out, or even if you're not and you are ready to really start growing, you should be posting at least once a day. If you can do it twice or 3 times a day, that's even better. And again, you should post to more than one platform, because a video may do well on one over another. But again, posting daily will help you to reach those monetization thresholds that's needed in order for you to start getting paid. And what they are, in case you are not familiar with it, on YouTube, in order for you to start getting paid, you have to have at least 500 subscribers. You need 3 public videos uploaded in the last 90 days. And you have to have 3,000 watch time hours in the last year. And with shorts, you have to have 3 million views in the last 90 days. I know it sounds like a lot. Don't let it overwhelm you. If you start posting daily and stay consistent, I'm telling you, you should start seeing some views rolling in. Now, they just lowered that threshold to allow more people to come in and start making money. However, when it comes to placing ads in your videos, you still need 1,000 subscribers for that one on YouTube. On Facebook, you need 500 followers for you to start being able to earn money. And on TikTok, you need 10,000. I just wanted to put those out there just so that you are aware and know what your goals are, what you're working towards. But I'm telling you guys, it is definitely worth it. And you can start off by giving it 30 days. Post once a day for the next 30 days and see what type of results you start to get. You'll just evaluate at their 30-day mark to see what the next move is that you have to do. But just know that this is not an overnight process. This takes time, especially if you're trying to reach the big amounts that people are making. But this is all that I have for you today. I thank you so very much for watching. Make sure you come back tomorrow, because I'm going to have another video for you during this holiday special. So see you soon. We are out. Peace.